Using the icons on the top right of your University Reporter screen, you have additional options. You can return to your search using the magnifying glass. You can save a report using this Save Report icon of a disk. You can open reports saved in previous sessions using the File folder. You can export your report to an Excel file or CSV. And you can do some really interesting things using this gear, the Reporter option. In the Reporter option, you can change the set targets, the targets listed in the left-hand column of your report. And so this is going to change the data that is displayed. Your selected targets, the ones that are displayed by default, are on the right, but you have additional ones on the left. You may want to break down the ages slightly differently, or you may have different information that you're looking for, such as marital status, or how long a home has been occupied, or the home value, or other information about media consumed by your consumers. You can move these targets back and forth by using the arrows. Select the item that you want to move over as a selected target. So if I wanted to display consumers who listen to the radio on weekdays between 10 and 3, I would select that and use the over arrow to move it to my selected targets. You may want to remove some of the selected targets in order to simplify your report, especially if you're going to save it or export it for later use. Under the Report Settings tab, you can go ahead and you can choose a variable that you want to display as a trend. So this will only show you one of these variables. You'll only have one of the columns that's displayed in the report. However, you can actually view these as a trend over 3 consecutive years. So I'm going to go ahead and select % detail. Okay. And back on my report, where it says report type on the top left, I can drop down, and instead of selecting standard, I can select trend. And now you can see the trend of users over the past 3 years from 2017 to 2019.